You wake up on a soft pillow, right? Maybe memory foam, maybe feathers. What if your pillow was a piece of carved wood? For most of us, it sounds like a recipe for a crack in the neck. But today, we are diving deep into the ancient, practical, and deeply symbolic sleeping tradition that thrives in the parts of Northern Congo, Kenya, and Ethiopia. Subscribe, like, and share. Food is the essence of life here, whether it's the rich stew of the Congolese basin, the staple greens of the Ethiopian highlands, or the coastal meal. It's a celebration of land's bounty, often shared with communal warmth. Their houses are more than just shelter. They are the heart of the family life, built with ingenuity from natural materials. These homes are where children grow, stories are told, and generations connect. Culture here is a living, breathing entity. Witness the captivating significance of dancing by old people. How their place feeds on pitch. And along the vibrant coast, the fine black ladies celebrate at the beaches, adorned in their finest, radiating joy and pride in their heritage. But this vibrant life often demands hard work. In the parts of Congo, this includes the arduous task for digging for minerals, a challenging reality for many, yet undertaken with incredible resilience. It highlights their unwavering commitment to providing for their loved ones. We see the grace of the beautiful queens, women who embody strength, tradition, and leadership within their communities, even in the moments of everyday life. The natural world is an undeniable force. The forests are full of chimpanzees, a testament to the rich biodiversity that surrounds them. You see the ingenuity and struggle in things like bad latrines, often simpler, covered under a hat, a stark reminder of resourcefulness in difficult conditions. An overview of their latrines where their husbands and wives defecate. Very interesting. Bad roads where tracks often sink, isolating communities. It's truly inspiring to see them working together as loved ones. In a world where comfort is often equated with softness and technology, these communities offer a powerful counter-narrative. They remind us that tradition, craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of one's environment can create solutions that are both practical and profoundly meaningful. They choose functionality and cultural resonance over fleeting trends. What does your pillow say about you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive into the incredible tapestry of global culture. Thanks for rocking with Donwell, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.